This application was developed for another client in Saudi Arabia for demo purposes. Here we have 4 tabs: clients, assets, contracts, and Doni. So clients have multiple assets, which can be buildings and land forms. Each asset has multiple contracts against it, and each client, each asset has multiple donis that they earn the revenue from, and they donate this money to these donis. So in this list, you will have all the clients listed here. If I select one, you can see the details tab. So it has 9 buildings, 4 lands, and 2 donis associated with this client. We can also show multiple graphs and dashboards, but right now it's very simple, just for demo purposes, and we don't want to share any data outside of the organization. If you click on the client, it also highlights its assets. So for example, if you had multiple clients, then it might have highlighted some other features on the map. Similarly, if you can click on assets, you can see that you are now in the second tab, assets, and you have all these buildings, 9 buildings listed here. You can search as well. So for example, hotel, so we have 3 hotels. You can also go to the lands. So this client had 4 lands. On each asset, on each building, you can click on details. You will see the details, the attachments. Again, we can add graphs and charts here as well, and you can also zoom on to the map on the feature. You can also click on stats to view different charts that we have developed. So this above data is coming from the clients table, but this bottom data is coming from the associated contracts of this building, just to demonstrate the power of this application. I mean, we can modify the data, we can modify the graphs. So this one maybe has no contracts associated with it. So let's just select the first building, and if we click on the contracts, we will have only those contracts listed that are associated with that asset, and we can also see the details of this contract. And if we go back to the clients and I click on the Doni, we can see that this client has 3 donis listed here. If I click on details, you can also see their detail as well. So this is pretty much it. We got some basic map features as well. We have this legend. We can add more layers, turn layers on and off. So for example, we don't want to see the buildings, only want to see the land. So that is there, legend is there, different base map is there, all coming from ArcGIS online library. We have scale, we can add coordinate conversion, coordinate search, we can add more data feature on our application, and there is search. We can also add export feature, so you can select multiple things and export them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.